This is the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. It is Infinix's very first phone to debut globally in Malaysia, and like the previous Note series, this phone is quite the looker. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus dual curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it is a super sleek looking device with a premium glass or vegan leather back. The Note 40 Pro Plus is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset paired to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Camera is similar to the Note 30, and we are only getting one usable 108MP main camera on the back. So what's really special about the Note 40 Pro Plus is this new Halo RGB light at the camera that serves as a notification light. It has several lighting patterns that you can choose, and I think it is a really cool feature. Infinix is also introducing magnetic wireless charging on the back that's similar to Apple's MagSafe, and they called it MagCharge. It will also come with a series of magnetic accessories which I look forward to. Infinix also introduced its ChatGPT powered Folex assistant, which I also tested briefly, but it is still rather subpar at this point of time in understanding my commands, and I hope it gets better with a software update. Overall, the Infinix Note 40 lineup is pretty exciting with all-round fast charging and great performance, and we can expect them to launch in Malaysia really soon. So that's all for my first impressions on the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. Let me know what you guys think about it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.